Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often Borrowell updates your credit score. Borrowell is a service that provides you with your credit score and credit report. Specifically, they provide your Equifax credit score and report, which is one of the major credit bureaus. The important thing to know is that Borrowell updates your score and report weekly. Yes, that is every single week. This is an important feature, as most traditional methods of checking your credit score only update monthly, or even less frequently. This weekly update allows you to monitor your credit health more closely. You can see how recent financial actions, whether positive or negative, might be impacting your score quickly. For instance, if you've recently paid down a large credit card balance, you could see a positive change in your score as soon as the next weekly update, assuming your lender has reported the new balance to Equifax. However, keep this in mind, Borrowell gets its information from Equifax. The credit bureau itself receives updated information from your lenders and creditors, which typically report your account activity once a month. So, while Borrowell updates the score they show you every week, the underlying data from your creditors generally updates monthly. This means you might not see a change every week if your financial behavior hasn't changed, or if your creditors haven't yet reported new data to Equifax. But, when a creditor does report new information, Borrowell will reflect that change in your score with their next weekly update. In summary, Borrowell provides you with a free, weekly updated view of your Equifax credit score and report, giving you a consistent way to track your credit health. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.